Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using Xampp to host our own website on our local network. This is absolutely free, so let's get started. So if you haven't downloaded it already, look up Xampp in the search bar of your browser, and there's a website from ApacheFriends.org. You can download it there. Once you got all installed and stuff, which is fairly easy, you'll get display with this screen. Once you open it, Xampp control panel. And if it doesn't open, what you can do is that you can go to your Explorer, go to your drive where you installed it, go into Xampp, and then just click the control.exe, Xampp control. And then once you're done with that, what you are able to do is open it, and the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go to config, and we're going to go to the first one. And once we open that up, we'll open it. And now what you want to do is that just take note of this listen. This is the port number. I'm just going to keep on scrolling till we get to here. So, document, root, and directory, these two tags. So, first we're going to want to find where our website is stored, I guess. And so, it's stored in the D drive, which I named web. We got our website folder. And then I got my two websites. So, what you can do there, and then you can right click one, you can go to properties, and you can highlight the directory and location and stuff. And once you copy all that, once you copy it all, you are able to do it. So you just copy it, back into this notepad document. I'm going to paste it in right here. And you're going to press Control S to save. Then you're going to X out of it. Okay, so your local network is the internet you're connected to. It will not go outside that. So let's go to our Wi-Fi and just make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi you want it to host on, because that will be important. And then we're just going to click on our Xampp control panel. We're going to click the start button. And boom, right there. Now to find the IP address where this is stored, we're going to go into our Google Chrome. I'm going to open that up. And there's two ways to find this IP address. First, you can enter in localhost if you're just accessing it on your normal computer. You got that. And then the other way is that you press Control Alt Delete, go to your task manager, and then you have performance, and then you can go to your Wi-Fi and then your IPv4 address. And then the other way is that you open up command prompt and then you go to IP config, and then you have your IPv4 address. So we're going to take this, we're going to go to Chrome, we're going to type it in, .33, and boom, we have it right here. We can click on one. Here's my little website, and my buttons all work. And then we can go into product reviews, and it goes to that website. So I have my phone right here, and it's connected. And the port number, the 80 I wrote down, that's if it doesn't work with just the IP address, you put the thing up in. So click here, type in our number, 10. Point 0.33 and then we press go. And it's right here. And then what? Also, another thing that you can do is that if it doesn't work, you just go back here with the address. Then you type in the letter with that thing, and then 80. Boom! It works. So that's basically it, guys. So that's it for Xampp. Just like and subscribe. And thank you. And see you next time.